Find a comfortable position, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in and out, releasing any stress and tension. Breathing in and out. Focus your attention on the top of your head. As you exhale, relax your scalp. Moving down now, relax your forehead, relax your face, relax your ears, and relax your jaw. Feel yourself softening, expanding. Continue relaxing more and more with each exhale. Relaxing the back of your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your whole upper body. Breathe. Relax your stomach, allowing it to raise and fall gently as you breathe. Now relaxing your pelvis, relaxing your hips, and then moving down your legs. Feel how your thighs relax. Relax your calves. Feel yourself becoming heavy and relaxed. Now relax your ankles, the top of your feet, your toes. We spend so much of our attention on the outside world and our worries and on our concerns. Let us set that aside for a moment and go to that quiet space within. Breathe into that quiet space, in and out. Take a moment now and just be in that space. Imagine that you see a passage stretching out in front of you. At the end of this passage, there is a door. What does this door look like? Is it big? Small? Is it round or square? Go to this door, open it, and step into the room beyond it. You notice a big movie screen on the far wall, and curiously you walk towards it. As you get deeper into the room, you realize you are not alone. You sense a presence that radiates love and peace. This is your higher self, your spiritual self, your infinite soul. Your higher self is always ready to connect and communicate with you. You simply have to listen and be open. Breathe. On the movie screen, scenes from your life begin to play. Take some time to observe what plays, but do so without judgment or interpretation. Simply observe, all the while being aware of the presence of your higher self, watching, observing with you, radiating love. Simply have the intention to observe your life while receiving love from your higher self. As the movie fades to black, you turn toward your higher self who has a message for you. Open yourself completely now. Listen. Breathe. Thank your higher self and go back through the door into the passage and into the quiet space within. Become aware of your breathing. In your body, and on your next exhale, open your eyes.